$10 trillion. That's the size of the global commercial lending market, and hidden inside it is a crisis that's costing lenders billions every year.
13 integrated features. One unified platform. Complete visibility into your lending portfolio.
So this is our product called Lma Insights, and we named it Lma Insight because our product will actually give you the hidden insights that you cannot see on the surface. Now let's get into it. The first and foremost feature. The first feature. As you can see, we have a lot of our borrowers here, and we means banks. Now the first feature is definition drift detector, cross refinancing term creep analysis. The insight: borrowers refinance every 3 to 5 years. Each refinancing EBITDA adjustment accumulates. What was once EBITDA becomes EBITDA plus 23 AdPex. Now, in this situation, we added some creative twist. Definition divergence index. How far has the borrower EBITDA straight from gap? We compared against anomalized peer benchmarks. Thus, like this EBITDA definition is more aggressive than 94% of comparable deals or similar things. Our system tracks how each definition evolves. Visualize this. EBITDA adjustment in 2018 were 4 AdBacks, roughly $2 million in impact. In 2021, it's 11 AdBacks, roughly $8 million in impact. How does it change? The borrower's EBITDA is now 40% higher than actual operating cash flow. And our features tracks exactly that. Now, the second feature is the Ghost Covenant Finder. Many loans covenants are legal bindings but practically unmonitorable. They depend on information that lenders will never actually receive or verify. What our product does is scan extracted covenant against information undertakings, flag covenants where required data isn't the reported package. Now moving on to one of the creative twists, covenant time machine. We used Monte Carlo simulation for this to predict a range in which the default rate lies. Now you can see that here we have a score of 66.7 and a lot of percentiles and probabilities. These are marked within their confidence intervals and tells the probability of default. ESG KPIs are self-reported with compromised verification. The document notes borrowers select their own verifiers, creating opinion shopping. For physical asset-backed loans like real estate, agriculture, mining, infra, shipping, we have 4 different things. First is the satellite imagery analysis. We verify the claim of land use, deforestation, commitment, construction, progress, all through using the Google's Map API. We scan through the data of 50 petabytes. Second is AIS shipping data. We track vessel emission, verify fuel efficiency claims, and a lot more. And then the final is public emission databases. Cross-reference against EPA, EU, ETS, CDIP, and a lot more. We also keep track of the P50 and P90 risk scores along with the average AdPex. Then comes the amendment pattern predictor.
Now comes the
Amendments
borrower
are
reputation.
waivers followed patterns. In certain covenant structures, borrower's behavior
Now
and
comes the
market
borrower
condition
reputation
predict
ledger.
amendment request.
This have
We
the
train on
behavioral
historical
pattern, how they
amendments,
negotiate, when they
identify
comply
leading
proactively or
indicators like
minimally, and
financial
how they behave in
trajectory,
distress.
covenant
The
headrooms,
knowledge is
market
siloed within
conditions, and
institutions.
behavioral signals. On the basis of that, we can give a prediction like 70% probability of a covenant amendment required.
Now comes the borrower reputation ledger. This shows how they negotiate, when they comply proactively or minimally, how they behave in distress. This knowledge is siloed within institutions. Lma templates are starting point. Every deal deviates, but nobody quantifies by how much and in which direction. But we compare the credit agreement to Lma standard forms, quantify deviations clause by clause, and borrower friendly versus lender friendly classification.